The brushless DC motor we are presenting here consumes both electrical energy and an external magnetic energy obtained from permanent magnets. The product mechanical energy is greater than the consumed electrical energy. The difference is obtained from the magnetic field of permanent magnets. This is neither an over-unity machine nor a perpetual motion machine. This is simply a machine which is converting the magnetic field of permanent magnets into mechanical energy. There is nothing special about this motor, a rotor carrying permanent magnets and coils in the stator. The only difference remains that we used a sensible amount of permanent magnets, 12 ceramic ferrite magnets, each is 1 inch and 7/8 by 7/8 of 1 inch by 3/8 of an inch or 47 millimeters by 22 millimeters by 10 millimeters. Which means that this motor generates an extra 510 watts minus 74.5 watts equals 435.5 watts from these 12 magnets. The energy we are getting from the magnets is about 6 times what we are consuming from electricity, 74.5 watts. All electric motor manufacturers, when they used permanent magnets, the efficiency increased. They actually got the extra output energy from permanent magnets. All what we did, we increased the permanent magnets to the level that we are getting from magnets about 6 times what we are consuming from the electric source. Electric motor manufacturers are invited to produce similar electric motors generating more mechanical energy than the consumed electric energy, relying on incorporating significant amount of permanent magnets. In fact, there are so many demonstrations on YouTube.com in which the output mechanical energy is far more than the consumed electric energy. However, the person in charge did not measure the output angular velocity to calculate the output mechanical energy. Now we will calculate the output mechanical energy. The power output of angular motion P equals the torque times the angular velocity omega. Torque equals force times radius of rotation. Then power equals force times radius of rotation times omega. Force equals mass times angular acceleration. Angular acceleration equals omega squared times radius of rotation. Then power equals mass times radius of rotation squared times omega cubed. The moment of inertia equals the mass times the radius of rotation, or duration, squared. Then output power equals the moment of inertia times omega cubed. The function of the control circuit in this brushless DC motor is to supply the coils with electricity only when the magnets are in front of the coils. Which means that we are in need of a sensor to tell us when the magnets are in front of the coils and a switch to switch on and off the supply of electricity. The sensor can be 1. Read magnetic sensor. 2. Hall sensor. 3. Optical sensor. The switch can be 1. Transistor. 2. MOSFET. 3. Relay. The market avails countless numbers for each of the sensors and switches. The possible final circuits are beyond infinity. We did not receive basic education in the field of electronics. We are sure that you will be able to find a better answer than our circuit. Or in simple words, we do not want to limit your success by showing you our circuit. The main idea of this motor is just increase as much as you can the permanent magnets in your motor, and you will see that the output energy is more than the electrical energy consumed. Please accept our sincere apology for the low quality of our video. We hope that you can still get an appropriate idea.